Hello, and a warm welcome to solving redox titration problems. Some golden rules. First of all, start where you can. NaC times V, there will be a volume, there will be a concentration. Get the ratio. If it's a stock solution, don't forget to factorize. And finally, read the question. Make sure you've answered it. Typical question. Iron tablets, 6 grams, were crushed, made up to 200 cm cubed, with 25 cm cubed of stock solution titrated against 0.02 mol per decimeter cube potassium permanganate. Mean titer with 20.1. Where should we begin? Balanced equation. What can we do? Only thing we can do is the moles of permanganate. With the balanced equation, I can work out the moles of iron once we have the ratio. Where to begin? Just begin. So we should know MnO4 minus goes to Mn2 plus, and iron 2 plus goes to iron 3 plus. We can work out its iron 2 plus, it's iron sulfate, 1 electron. Using our protons, water, and electrons, we can balance and find we need to times the moles of iron by 5 to get rid of the electrons. Here we have 1 mole of permanganate with 5 moles of iron 2 plus. So the moles of permanganate was 0.02 concentration times volume. Don't forget to convert to decimeters cubed, which gives us 0.00402 moles of permanganate. The ratio was 1 to 5, so if I times that by 5, I will have the moles of iron. Moles of iron is 0.00201 moles of iron 2, but don't forget that's in 25 cm cubed. We want it in the stock solution of 200. So we need to times those moles by 200 over 25, or times 8, same thing, to give us 0.01608 moles of iron 2 plus. Home and dry, times about the molecular mass of including the 7H2O, 4.47 over 6 gives us 74.5%.